My name is Mike, and I am the founder of TubeAnalytics. This is a powerful SaaS platform that allows you to turn raw YouTube data into actionable decisions. You can track for performance, outsmart competitors, spot trends early, and maximize revenue on your channel, all from one single dashboard. I was inspired to create this platform because only about 7% of YouTubers are successfully monetized on the platform. And I want to make it a lot easier to get access to this data so that they can grow their channel and get monetized faster. Here's the subscription plans. It starts at $19 per month, and you've got professional and enterprise options available as well, which will allow you to track more channels and includes a lot more features. So if I go ahead and log into my website here, you can see this is the dashboard. So right away, you've got access to your total number of subscribers, total views, watch hours, and revenue, most importantly, and it shows whether your channel is monetized or not. And then from there, we can drill down into the audience. This allows you to track the overall health overview of the channel so that you can see how it's doing, including your churn rate, growth quality, and audience depth. You can also see your individual video performance scores, and it includes recommendations as well if it needs improvement. You can see the videos performing well, and it just tells me to keep up the great work. But for some of these other ones, it has suggestions to boost the engagement rate. You've also got a content calendar built in here as well, where you can add content ideas, and eventually you'll be able to schedule the videos from here as well. That's currently not available, but it will be available for enterprise plans. And then we also have the analytics tab, which is very, very similar to the dashboard, but you can also check your demographics here as well. And we have behavior to show what are the most popular times to post on the platform. And we've also got traffic sources under here as well. So you can see exactly where the people are finding your channel. I've recently started promoting it a bit more on LinkedIn. You can also track competitors. So let's say I want to track competitors in the AI automation space, as I'm already doing here. We've also got thumbnail testing built into the platform as well. So let's say you want to track different thumbnails and see how they're performing, and it's giving you a score. You can also use it for keyword research. So if I type in AI, it will give me the search volume, competition, difficulty, and we've got the monetization tab here as well. We've also got an AI support system as well. So if you have any questions, you can ask the automated chatbot and it will instantly respond. If you'd like to get started with TubeAnalytics, go ahead and sign up on the website. We've also got a wait list here if you want to join the wait list. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the platform.